pregnancy happens. Sperm production. Sperm production and hormone testosterone are produced in the testes. The testes produce over 70 million sperm each day. The sperm is then stored in the epidermis, a coiled-up tube on the back of each testis of 2 to 11 days. If the sperm are not used, they may be released naturally during sleep, called a wet dream, or are simply reabsorbed into the body. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm moves through the vas deferens into the ejaculatory duct of the prostate gland. The sperm are mixed with fluids to form semen. The penis expands and hards as blood flow into erectile tissue. During vaginal intercourse, the penis is inserted into the female vagina. Next step is ejaculation. Contraction of the muscle at the base of the penis forces the semen out of the penis, depositing into the vagina. The seminal fluid protects the sperm from the acidic environment. The sperm then move to the cervix and into the uterus. Once the uterus, the sperm moves into the fallopian tubes. By the time there are only about 2,000 sperms remaining. Sperms can survive here for 5 days. Next is ovulation. During the female's menstrual cycle, an egg is released from one of the ovaries, alternating from the left to right for each consecutive cycle. The egg is swept up by the tiny tentacle at the entrance of the fallopian tubes and moved along the fallopian tubes by tiny hairs called cilia. This takes about 30 hours. If the egg is not fertilized by the sperm within 24 hours, it is disintegrated and it flushed out of body with the next period. Fertilization. If there are sperm present in the fallopian tubes and one penetrates the egg's membrane, fertilization occurs forming a single cell called a zygote. Once a sperm has fertilized the egg, no other sperms can penetrate the egg membrane. Within 24 hours, the zygote begins multiple cell division as it travels down the fallopian tube into the uterus. The zygote reaches the uterus after about 5 days. By this stage, it has become a mass of cells called a blastocyst. Next is implantation. The process of implantation of the blastocyst in the uterus begins. The blastocyst attaches and embed into the wall of uterus. Hormones from ovary prepare the body for pregnancy by casing the illness of the uterus to thicken with blood. It's now ready to support developing fetus.